Hey guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a test for 6 weeks on my hair, basically. So you guys know that I recently dyed my hair this red, gingery, orange color. So red hair is really hard to keep in my hair, especially, but for a lot of people it's really hard to maintain. There's a lot of upkeep to it, and you have to be constantly dyeing your hair red. And that's all fine and dandy if you are a cosmetologist student, or if you have a lot of money, or if you like to dye your hair. That's all great and fine and dandy. But I can only afford to do my hair every 6 weeks, something like that. And even then, that's pretty expensive. It's like $100 and something to go every single 6 weeks to get my hair colored. So that's why I originally started wearing wigs all the time. But even wigs, they're expensive. They're like really hot. They're sometimes they don't look real. Sometimes you just don't want to wear a wig. So I decided to dye my hair this color because this is literally my favorite color in the entire world, especially for hair. I just love red, fiery, orange hair. It's just my thing. So what I'm going to be doing for the next 6 weeks is I'm going to be trying to maintain this color. So my appointment is in 6 weeks from when I booked my appointment. So I had my appointment on Thursday, which was it's the 15th today, so I think it was like the 9th or the 10th, something like that. So it was on Thursday that I got my hair done, and I've only washed it once since I got it done, which was on Thursday. It's now Sunday. So I have only washed it once since getting it done, and I'm going to be washing it again either tonight or tomorrow, depending. I have a lot of dry shampoo products but there is like sparkles in my hair, which I don't know where they came from. So I'm going to be washing my hair eventually. So I recently picked up these shampoo and conditioners. So this is by the brand Frieda. So this is a drugstore brand, but it is fairly expensive for being a drugstore brand. Both of these together equaled about $23 or something. So even that, like, that's not that expensive, but still $10 for a bottle of shampoo is pretty expensive considering I'm used to spending like $3 so on like my L'Oreal stuff. So this is by the brand Frieda. So this is Radiant Red Boosting Conditioner and Shampoo. So it's supposed to replenish your red as you wash your hair. So instead of your shampoo and conditioner stripping your hair of the color that you put in it, it's supposed to replenish your hair, so keep the color in longer. So it has a red boosting property to it, and it preserves and enhances the red shade of your hair. So it is pomegranate extract, and when you open it, it is like a red kind of shampoo. And then the conditioner again is also, when you open it, it is red. So they smell really great. They feel really great. When I washed my hair initially, I had no issues with it. I thought they were really great. The only thing that I would say is these Radiant Red replenishing shampoos. I've used them in the past when I had my like darker red hair. They tend to dry out my hair. In particular, my hair is really dry, and because I'm blonde, I just have really freaking dry hair for whatever reason. So it tends to make my hair feel really dry and brittle. So I like to use both of my red replenishing shampoo and conditioner together, and then I like to go on with a separate conditioner on just the ends to help hydrate my hair. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So for the next 6 weeks, I'm going to be using this shampoo and conditioner and washing my hair maybe 2 or 3 times a week, hopefully just as enough as I do it. But I do go to the gym every single day, so I mean, I'm gonna wash my hair as much as possible, but as less as possible at the same time, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna be trying to maintain this red hair and see if this shampoo and conditioner works. So I've never used this shampoo and conditioner before, so I'm interested to know if it's actually going to help maintain this color. So I will see you guys in 6 weeks, and I'll let you guys know if this shampoo and conditioner actually works. And if it doesn't, well, then you guys get my review and it doesn't work. But if it does, then that will be really awesome for redheads. So I will see you guys in 6 weeks. Okay, so a change of plan. So last time I talked to you guys, I originally said that I was going to be using this for 6 weeks, and we were going to see how it was working in my hair and if my hair had faded. Well, spoiler alert, my hair has faded quite a bit. It's almost like not even like a gingery red anymore. It's almost just kind of like strawberry blonde almost. So these suck. They were pretty expensive. They're $11 or $12 each, and they smell nice. My hair feels clean, but the thing that I don't like about them is they're very drying. My hair feels really dry, and they're not helping with the fading at all. It's still fading. And I know that colored hair, and when you color your hair an artificial color or a a natural color. Even though red is a natural color, it's still not my natural color. It does fade. So what I'm gonna do is I have this shampoo and conditioner. This is the stuff that I used to use a couple years ago when I had my hair red. I'll post a photo right here of the red that I had, and this is the stuff that I used to use, and I think I liked it. I'm not entirely sure. So this is basically the same concept as this stuff. So this one is refreshes and brightens all red shades. So I am going to do basically what I do with my purple shampoo. So if you guys haven't seen that video, I'll link it right here. The purple toning shampoo that I use when my hair is blonde and it's starting to get those brassy, yellowy kind of wheat tones, I put the purple shampoo on for about 45 minutes and I let it just tone my hair, and then when I come out of the shower, my hair is like icy cool blonde. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the red shampoo from this brand. So this is the Quantum Riveting Reds, and I am going to leave it on my hair for about 45 minutes and we're gonna see if it makes a difference or not. So I'm gonna zoom you guys out, or I guess I'll zoom you guys in. So this is what my hair looks like at the moment. It is pretty much faded from being that really bright orange and going down to like this kind of dulled out color. It's definitely not gingery anymore, and it's definitely like a dulled, almost kind of like rose gold color, which is not what I was going for. As you guys know, I love the color orange, and now my hair just kind of seems like a washed out version of that, and I don't like it. So I am going to go downstairs and I'm gonna have my bath, and I'm gonna wash my hair with this, and I'm gonna leave it on for 45 minutes. I'm gonna wash my hair with the shampoo, and then I'm gonna leave the conditioner on for about 45 minutes, and we're gonna see if it makes a difference or not, because this sucks. I may mix some of this into it as well, just because I have a lot more of this stuff, and leave it on for 45 minutes and see if it makes a difference. So as I showed you guys at the beginning of the video, this is a red shampoo and conditioner, and the Quantum Riveting Reds is the exact same. It's a red, if it comes out, it's a red conditioner and shampoo. So hopefully it makes a difference. So I'm gonna go have a bath and see if my hair is brighter after this. So we'll take a photo now, and then when I come back, we can compare the two. Okay, so I am back from my bath. I left this stuff on my hair for about 45 minutes, and looking in my looking in my mirror right here, I don't see a difference. Looking on the camera with all of the lights, it does look a little bit oranger, but in natural lighting, like downstairs, and just looking in my mirror right here, it doesn't look any different. So I don't really know if this stuff really does help. I mean, this was only one use of it for 45 minutes, so I'm going to continue to use it, and hopefully it will stop my hair from fading even more. But at the moment, looking at it in natural lighting and looking at it in person, it's definitely faded a lot. It's not nearly as vibrant as it used to be, and it's very disappointing that these products did not help, because they were fairly expensive for shampoo and conditioner. So I'm definitely going to be looking on the market for different products. There is a shampoo and conditioner there is a conditioner hair treatment for orange hair that I did order. It will be coming, so I will be doing a video on that in the next few days once it does arrive, and it's supposed to help do the exact same thing that this was supposed to do. So I'm really excited to see if that stuff works. I can't remember what the name of it is, but it was something I saw online and it looked really cool. So that will be a video to come in the future, because at the moment this looks like strawberry blonde. It doesn't look gingery red anymore, which is really disappointing. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!